What if I told you that your first $100 online is just a few steps away? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen using Beacons in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, coach, or someone with a unique skill or idea to share, this is your sign to start monetizing your passions. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. My name is Ivan and I'm the videographer and social media manager here at Beacons, and today we're going to dive into everything from what Beacons is and why it is the ultimate tool for creators to brainstorming the perfect digital product no matter your niche, and how to easily upload and showcase it in a Beacons storefront. Plus, I'll share some simple marketing tactics to get your product out there so you can stop dreaming about earning online and start making it happen. So if you got a dream and a link in bio, congrats, you're halfway to your first $100. So let's make it happen. Now, what is Beacons? Well, Beacons is the one and only platform you need to grow and monetize as a creator. We have a link in bio, digital store, email marketing, analytics, and so many tools to assist you in getting brand deals. Our digital store is one of our most popular tools, but here's why. First off, it's versatile. Whether you're selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses, or you want to offer personalized services like coaching calls, Beacons has got you covered. No matter your niche, there's a way to make it work. Second, it's ridiculously easy to use. Setting up a storefront takes minutes. No tech expertise required. You just upload your product at a price and boom, you're ready to start selling. Plus, you can integrate it right into your link in bio or website so your audience can easily find and buy what you're offering. And third, it's creator first. Beacons is all about helping creators keep more of their earnings. You get to focus on creating while Beacons takes care of the rest, like payment processing, marketing, and even analytics to see how your products are performing. And it's literally free to use. So whether you're just getting started or you're already a creator looking for an upgrade, Beacons makes it simple, seamless, and profitable to grow your online business. And trust me, by the time we're done with this video, you'll see why it's the best decision you can make as a creator in 2025. So without further ado, let's get into making your first $100 on Beacons. First up, the very first thing you got to figure out is what digital product you want to sell. Now, this is the main point where creators are confused because they believe that for their niche, there is no digital product they can make. And that is 100% false. Literally, no matter your niche, there is a digital product that your audience will download and buy from you. If you're a fitness creator, create a workout regime and a diet guide. If you're a travel influencer, create a city-by-city travel guide with places to visit and eat. If you're a creator who makes cooking content, sell your recipes. Here are some tips to help you out. Ask yourself, what common challenges do people in your audience face? Think about some skills, hobbies, or processes you're good at that others might want to learn. And what do people often ask you for advice about? Look at your tools and systems. What do you use daily to make your life easier? Can you turn your personal workflows or templates into a digital product? And most importantly, ask your audience. What are they struggling with? What would they love to learn or have? The possibilities are literally endless, but if you need some more help, we have an amazing video that you can check out right here, as well as an in-depth article that you can find in the description below. Great, now that you have your idea and have created your digital product, let's get into uploading it and creating a product page for it. The digital product I have created is a set of PNGs for creators to use as guidelines when making Instagram posts, carousels, and cover images for Reels. So here is how to upload and make a product page for them. Open up Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Products. If you haven't created a digital product yet, your page should look something like this. Click the first option called Digital Product, and you'll be redirected to the Product Builder. Here is where you can design and customize every aspect of your product page. In the upper left-hand corner, you can design the layout, the colors, and font for your product page. Once you have settled on your design, let's get into editing everything else. Either click on the Sections button in the upper right-hand side or click anywhere on the page itself to edit. Add the title of your product here. Adjust the price to whatever you find your product to be worth. You could even let your buyers pay what they want. Mark it as on sale, or just make it free. Now, add a description so your buyers can know exactly what they're buying. If you have a rough idea, but not sure how to put it to words exactly, then you can generate one with AI and it will curate one for you. In the next tab over, called Media, add any cover images or videos to showcase and explain your product. And most importantly, add your product files. You can add any type of file or even add a link to it. This is useful for Canva or Notion pages. We could go over everything here, but for your first product, we can skip this for now. At the top of the page, click into the next section called Checkout, where you can edit your checkout experience. You can add different fields here if you wish. You can use custom fields to get info on your customers and be able to see what kinds of customers check out your products. And lastly, we have the Success Screen tab. Edit your thank you message to make it more personal. And once you have everything all set, press the big blue Next button at the upper right hand corner. And now you'll get to list your product. We're going to go ahead and press Add Product to Link in Bio. And it will automatically create a store block with your product listed. Feel free to move it around your page and customize the layout. And don't forget to add a header. And there we go. You've successfully created and set up your product page so now anyone can buy your product on your link in bio. Amazing! You found your digital product idea, created it, and set up your Beacon storefront to start selling. Marketing comes next. And while it's one of the most crucial steps, we've made it simple with these built-in Beacons tools. Click into the store block where your product is listed. Use the blue icon to generate social assets for your product, perfect for promoting on Instagram stories, TikTok videos, and posts across Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. You can even customize the background color. Another great option is adding a pop-up to your page that shows your product to every visitor. To set this up, head to Link in Bio Design in the left navigation, scroll to the bottom, click Promote a Product, and select your product. Last but definitely not least is our amazing Smart Reply feature. We have a detailed explanation in this video linked here, but here's a quick overview. Smart Reply creates an automation that sends your product directly to someone's DMs when they comment specific keywords on your post. It's super powerful, and let me show you how to set that up. On the left-hand navigation, click Marketing, then Smart Reply. Connect your Instagram and follow these steps. Once you've done that, click Add New Post Smart Reply and select which post you want to run the automation on. Go ahead and type in the trigger word, select your product, customize your message, hit save, and you're done. The automation will work in the background, helping you make sales while you focus on creating. And that is how you make your first $100 on Beacons in 2025. Whether you're brainstorming your first digital product, setting up your storefront, or diving into marketing strategies, remember, every creator starts somewhere. And this can be the start of something big for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on your creator business. And hey, if you got questions or ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And don't forget to give us a follow on Threads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.